a really useful data type in TypeScript is the enumerator, or enum. You can do enums in JavaScript in ES6 fairly easily with object.freeze, but I won't go into detail about that. I want to talk about TypeScript enums. Enums in TypeScript are very similar to enums in other languages. They're basically a way of characterizing numeric values. So let's say enum color here, and we'll say red, blue, green. And that's it. We've got our enum color red, blue, green. You access it kind of like you access objects in JavaScript. So if I wanted to console log what red is, I would say color.red. Or if I want to say function what color number, say console.log. Well, what's interesting here is with an enum, you no longer have to say number. I can actually say this takes in a color. So now I can say what color, color.red. Now why is this nice? This is really nice because now we've defined a numeric number as an actual type. So if I were to come in here and say I want to refactor this and rename it to yellow, well, it's going to get renamed everywhere that it exists. This is incredibly powerful. It's one of the powerful things about TypeScript. And if you just had that constant copy and pasted everywhere in JavaScript like people do, if you wanted to change it, you would have to go find every single case of that constant and change it. Now, enums don't have to just be numbers in TypeScript, so I could say yellow. They all have to be the same type, so blue, green, and now it's going to be constant strings. I can even create const enums, but before I do that, let me compile this and show you the output here. So TypeScript has done some crazy stuff with the object to get what the desired values are, and that's great, but a lot of times you don't really want all this craziness. You just want to be able to use these as constants, so that's when the const enum comes into play. So I really love the const enum because when I compile it, it actually compiles down to something that just puts the constants in place. So that's enums in a nutshell in TypeScript.